Okay, everyone, so now let's go ahead and look at the dispersion charts of all of the shots we hit today. So starting off with the Acura TZI, it says the carry and total here wasn't necessarily calculating 100% correct, but it does show 170 for 177. It's a bit low, so let's go in here. I did have kind of one of these bad shots here. So if I take out the two worst, and we'll go ahead and take out the two worst on each club. So I think we hit about the same amount of balls with each. We did. So we're sitting at around 100 height, sitting at around 6,000 spin, which is really nice. I mean, you look at a couple of these, they do jump up there. I had one that was kind of dead, but those are the ones I did pull. So moving over to the Fuji Axiom, let's go ahead and take out the two worst. So you can see here, dispersion is kind of all over the place. It wasn't really consistent for me. It was really good, don't get me wrong. Ball speed was a little higher, so was club speed, but not by enough for me. It did spin a little higher, had a little bit less height, but I was actually launching it about a degree and a half, or a degree, 1.2 degrees lower. Carry was actually a little less. Total was a little less than the TZI as well. Moving on to the Graphite Rane. Again, take out the two worst. The first one that I chunked to the other side of the earth, and this one. So now looking at this again, ball speed a little less than the TZI. Club speed a little bit lower as well, just because I had to really take a second to time it up. Launch angle was also a little closer to the Axiom at 14.9. Spin rate was a little low compared to the TZI, only about 100 RPM, so nothing really there to worry about. Height slightly lower, and that's actually what I'm trying to get out of these clubs, is a little bit more height, which will also help me get hopefully some more spin and some more distance. So the Rane, good shaft, don't get me wrong. I just couldn't time it up correctly, because you guys can see here on the right that it was awfully left. You know, I just kept getting the face to close because I think it was more of a weight issue than not. And then the Axiom here, they were all pretty straight, but not as kind of consistent. You can see some were straight, some were draws, but the TZI here was all really straight. I think I may have had the TrackMan misaligned, because this one was hit when we were inside. So I think I may have had it misaligned a little bit, but you can see here they were all very, very close together, even in a dispersion chart. So we jump over the Axiom. Again, you can see variance left to right, and the Rane, not as much of a variance, but they were all left. These two being the absolute worst left, which I was, again, think that's because the weight in my hand was just flipping over very quickly. So it looks like the winner is going to be the Acura TZI. So stay tuned for the build, and let me know what you guys think of these style of videos. And let me know what you guys think of these style of videos. And if you guys want me to do some more testing, or if you guys have anything that you want to see me test, we can test anything from Graphite Design, Fujikura, LA Golf, Acura, True Temper, KBS, pretty much everything minus Autoflex, Furuga, which those are parent companies, or sister companies I should say, Mitsubishi, and VA Composites. So we have pretty much access to everything here at Oster Golf Co. So let me know what you guys want to see tested next.